So unfortunately, X doesn't allow you to schedule a retweet, but you can use third-party apps for that. And first of all, if you wonder why do you need to schedule a retweet, that's because it can actually increase the impressions that you get from your post. And before I tell you why, let me first show you how you can actually schedule a retweet via an app called SupaBird. And it's actually quite simple. Once here in the app, you can go to Tools, then you can go to Automations, and here you can click Schedule Retweets. Now, here you can just select any of your latest posts, and you can click Schedule Retweet. You can select in how many hours you want this to be retweeted, and this will be retweeted at that time. And then you can go to Calendar to see all of your retweets on the calendar and see when they're going to be posted. Now, once I explain this is very easy. I'm just going to unschedule this for now. I want to quickly explain in general why retweeting is so important and how it can help you to actually reach so many more people than you're reaching right now. So when you're posting to your profile, it's important to remember that most people who will actually engage and see your content will be people who are awake at the time when you post. This means these are people who are most likely in your time zone. Now, some people like to use Twitter in the morning, some like to use in the evening. If you want to, sometimes double or maybe even like at least increase the impressions of the specific post by 50%, then what you can do is, for example, I posted this 5 hours ago, right? And then I can try to retweet this in another 5 hours when it's already evening and different category of people are entering X again. Now, this means that it will still be visible to the people in my time zone, but it will be people who prefer to use Twitter, at night or maybe before going to sleep. Now, second idea is that you can actually retweet this, and the people who you want to see this are actually people maybe in the other side of the world, right? Let's say right now I'm in Germany, in Berlin, and let's say I want people in Japan or maybe in USA, in Canada to see this. This means that what I can do is I can select this post and I can schedule a retweet for this post so that people who actually see this post will be people in other time zone. Let's say that's probably around like 3 a.m. my time. And first, of course, I would have to click Get Latest Post so I can actually get the latest post. And then, for example, this one, I will click Schedule Retweet, and it's 3:40 p.m. So I think 9 hours should be fine. I think at this time frame already, people who are in Canada and USA will be awake and will be using Twitter/X. And that's how you schedule a repost for X or Twitter, however you like to call it. I hope this was useful. Subscribe to this channel for more Twitter growth tips. Bye-bye.